Hi guys, what's up? This is Arushi. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video where we together are going to find for alternatives for Shein app. I know जो heartbreak हुआ है जब announce हुआ था कि Shein ban हो चुका है. Shein being one of the most favorite brands of all of us out there. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you brands where you can get similar clothes as well as jewelry, and also a trick that I do to find similar pieces that I like on Shein. And also आपके बहुत सारे comments भी check किए थे ताकि मुझे पता चले कि what are you guys expecting from the video. So starting off with the first brand which I think was one of the most favorite brands that I used to shop from is called Sassafras. ये जो brand है that is available on Myntra as well as Flipkart. Or this brand has a variety which is much similar to what Shein had, be it dresses, tops, jumpsuit. I love them all. मतलब जो quality जो fabric का है, it's just similar to Shein. Actually, I feel it's much better than Shein also. This brand has floral, this brand has stripes, checks, and Indian wear, solid colors, and a lot more. You can check this brand as mentioned on Flipkart as well as Myntra. Now there's this brand called Illy London which you can find on Amazon as well as Flipkart, which has same to same tops as well as dresses that Shein had. This was one of the pieces that I found on their website and it is exactly the same that we got on Shein. Shein पे काफी business casuals भी थे. So there's this brand called Fabily जो Myntra, Flipkart दोनों पे available है. They even have their own website. So वहाँ पे you can get a lot of business casuals similar to Shein and I love their collection. काफी trendy pieces है on their website. Let me share with you one trick that I do to find similar pieces that I like on Shein. Now Shein.in पे you won't be able to open the website, but Shein.com is open for us. So open Shein.com और जहाँ भी जो भी whatever piece that you like, be it jewelry, be it shoes, be it any bag, anything, just take a screenshot of it. और अपना जो कैमरा होता है वहाँ पे you have a Google search. Click on that icon, then go to the gallery section and select the screenshot that you've taken and it will search similar kind of pieces that you want from Shein. Of course, they'll give you options of Shein niche. You'll also get options of different brands, different websites from where you can do the similar purchase and you can even compare the prices then and there itself. This is one tip and trick that I was very excited to share because this actually works a lot with a lot of brands, and if you want to do a price comparison ना कोई भी brand के लिए, कोई भी outfit के लिए, you can do that too. Now that we have covered two websites in one trick, there's one more website that I wanted to introduce called Silori.com. मैंने इसके Indian outfits review किए थे and also purchased them. बहुत अच्छा क्वालिटी है, like I was blown away with the quality. उनकी वेबसाइट पे I love dresses as well as jumpsuits. They're really trendy. काफी similar to Shein. They have a lot of bling. So if you have your freshers party, if you have your farewell party, or basically any party, you have a lot of bling outfits और बहुत out of the box jumpsuits है वहाँ पे. And the best part is all are in the range of 1,500. Also the advantage of Silori.com is you have size range from S, from small to extra large, and also for plus size women. Don't worry, I've got you covered for under 1,000, under 599, under 399 and a lot of jewelry that you're going to miss from Shein. Ajio पे there is a brand called Rio that has similar kind of one pieces जो Shein पे थे. Now Shein पे बहुत सारे polka dot prints थे that I loved. Now I am a personal favorite of polka dots and there are similar kinds of dresses that you get on Rio. Rio पे everything is under 1,000 rupees, so that's a win-win for us. The quality of this brand is quite similar to Shein, so you can definitely try this brand. Now there are many YouTubers who have mentioned the brand called Misamore.com and that is of my personal favorite brand honestly. मैंने 4 to 5 pieces लिए थे ये website से and it's a Mumbai based brand, so delivery तो one day के अंदर हो जाती थी. They also have a sale going on कि if you buy 3 for just 699, so you can watch out for their sale. And I will show you the pieces that I got from there. The only one thing about this website is the sizes range only from small to large. So if you go above large, you cannot opt for this website. But otherwise, this website is really good trendy pieces, coordinate sets, Indo-Western sets, बहुत सारे. So you can definitely check this website out. Coming to the jewelry part, which I've seen many guys requesting for, I had seen Forever 21 giving similar kind of vibes, similar kind of jewelry on their website. Now coming to the next point of finding under 500, under 399, ये सब तो सारे sales Myntra, Ajio ये सब पे आते हैं. Like for Ajio.com, I saw this under 399 section. You have variety of kurtis, tops, college going, all of that. And if you want a variety to search from, this is one trick that I do टॉप्स अंडर 500 गूगल सर्च पे डाल देती हूँ एंड यू गेट अ लिस्ट एंड वेराइटी ऑफ कलेक्शन दैट यू कैन शॉप फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट वेराइटी ऑफ वेबसाइट्स. शॉपिंग केस पे क्लिक करो एंड देन यू गेट वेराइटी ऑफ ऑप्शंस. सो यू कैन चेक आउट ऐसे ऑल्सो कि इफ यू हैव अ स्पेसिफिक लिमिट एंड स्पेसिफिक बजट, जस्ट टाइप द सेम ऑन गूगल एंड you get a list of variety. Just summing up the brands that I just told you, Sassafras, which is available on Myntra, Flipkart, Illy London on Amazon, Fabily, Silori.com, Misamore.com and Rio on Ajio. For jewelry, you can check out Forever 21. And also don't forget the secret tip of taking the screenshot and Google searching on the similar piece that you want from Shein.com. Shein पे किसी का हार्ट ब्रेक नहीं हुआ, पूरे देश का हार्ट ब्रेक साथ में हुआ. I know we're going to miss Shein, but of course we're going to find the best alternatives. And here were the alternatives that you can try when you want to shop similar kinds of pieces from Shein.com. I hope this video was helpful, guys. Subscribe to the channel because free में है. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.